4 points, isahan lang.
Arbon also doing well. Good receive there. And Sabete taking advantage of and she will score her 8th point. MJ back on the court also coming from an injury as well. Ito parang sabi nila hindi pa 100% si Jonah Sabete with what she has been showing today.
Yeah. Mapa-open hit man yan or opposite hit. Low and fast sets na yung binibigay ni Janelle. Kaya take a look at this. 6 points advantage ng Petrogas for this second set.
And the blocking, they are not the best blockers, but they're doing what they need to do, slowing the ball down. Petrogas getting another chance. At least they slow the ball down.
Yes, okay lang yun dahil malaking impact.
For the high-speed hitters.
And from the right-hand side, si Jonah Sabete. Pumuntos, naka-apat na si Jonah.
Yeah, quick side out for the Petrogas, a 52% attack efficiency. So that's a big factor for PLDT.
And yung errors nila, no? Dalawa lang.
Dalawa lang.
Rather clean game for the high-speed hitters.
Yung coverage nila, dahil nabablock nga sila ng PLDT, hindi ganun ka-tight yung coverage nila.
And that one is another point. So Sabete seems to Petrogas coming from a loss and PLDT from a 2-game streak, win streak. Sabete. And right away, instant impact for Jonah Sabete. Mention again her 18 points, conference high for Typhoon Pablo. Sabete down the line.
There's his side. Open hit man or opposite hit.
For the serve.
Good serve.
Good first ball though by Joey Prado. Pero naman, bantay si Reby Palma and Jonah Sabete.
Middle attackers, mas nahihirapan makablock yung either squad.
Sabete from the left-hand side this time. She's gonna get another chance and she finds the hole down the line.
Well,